Hello, by Quilt Class. I guess I'm, what do you call it, an influencer now? No, a content creator, right? I don't know. I don't know if y'all got to see my video last week because my battery died, right? I think so. I think only my sewing class got to see it. Anyway, so please like and subscribe. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I only use this YouTube for my class. Okay, so I know it's been a while since we've worked on our block, since we were working on our bags, and y'all did a wonderful job. I hope that you guys got to use those bags. I'm actually pre-recording this, so I know you will do a great job on them tomorrow in class. Today's Thursday. Anyway, let's get started. So what is today? November the 7th, Friday, November the 7th. We are working on our block. Okay. You guys have done rows 1, 2, and 3 are the ones that I've shown you. Not everybody has completed this one, and that is okay. I just wanted to get everybody on the same page for my sub, that everybody will be working on the same thing. Okay, so we are doing row 4 today. And if you'll notice, row 4 is also the same as row 2. So you have done this before. This will be a review. And let me get into that. Okay, so we are working on this row. And the reason I did them separate instead of having you do both of these at the same time is I wanted you to be able to pick out different fabrics. Since these are cut from here, I wanted you to be able to have more design choices. Okay, all right. So if you'll remember, you're going to pick out 3 background and 2 regular. Okay, so we're going to do that right here. And you've already done this. I brought this in on October 31st, so you should have all your fabric. I'm going to do the white background since the example's in black. So you should have 3 of these. 1, 2, and 3. Let me zoom out. Just kidding, I can't zoom out. Okay, so we have 3 of these. And we're going to get, got black fuzz on all these, our contrast colors. Okay, put that away. Okay, this is all that you are sewing today, guys. So I want you to take your time. This is 4 rows of sewing. So we're going to line them up like this. And I want you to use your pins. Okay? So remember, when we're sewing right sides together, which these do not have a right and a wrong side, so that kind of makes it easy. The other ones do. So we're going to put them together. And remember, not all fabrics are the same length. Some are 43 inches, some are 44 inches. So always start together, but when you come down to the bottom, you may not end together, and that is quite all right. You're going to have a few inches of these left over anyway. You're going to have extra rows. So you do not have to worry about that. Okay, so we are going to sew this all the way down. Make sure that we do our 1/4 of an inch seam allowance all the way down. So this is, remember what I always say, we're not racing, slow and steady. This is not speed sewing. All the way down. And I encourage you to use pins. Make sure you take them out before you go into your needle. Okay, we're going to sew all the way down. When we have this row done, we're going to open it. Okay. And then our next row is going to go right on top of here. Same thing. Use pins. This starts at the top. Okay, we're going to sew all the way down to the end. Open and sew on. I've seen some of you get a little confused and we're kind of making some kind of accordion sewing. So just make sure to look at it before you start. Everything needs to be nice seams, no raw edges. Those are going to be on the bottom. So just work from left to right. Okay, and when you're done with that, that is all that we are doing today. We're not going to iron these. I did not leave my iron with, I don't want to have somebody have that responsibility. But also, we will not be cutting them today either. So we'll do that when I get back. Just remember to make sure you do 1/4 of an inch seams, because we want these blocks to be 10 inches. And let me show you. So this is what it looks like. Let me move these out of the way so we don't get confused. If you do your 1/4 inch seams like you're supposed to, we're going to be about 10 inches. See? Almost there. If I iron this, we're going to be, that's 10 inches. Because when we put all these rows together, in order for them to fit, they all need to be 10 inches across. And there could be a little bit of variance. That's okay. I'm going to teach you guys how to work with ease and to get these to fit right. Okay. Do great, guys. I'll see you when I get back. Stay on task.